This is part 4 of topic B on the bottom of page 19, compression.
The compression option, which is located on your Picture Tools Format Contextual tab in your Adjust command group. Here we have the option Compress Picture. This reduces the color format of an image, making the file size smaller. The color information takes up fewer bits for each pixel without losing image quality. The compression is expressed as pixels per inch or PPI. There are several preset compression options you can select based on what you plan to do with the document. The default is 220 PPI, which is your print option. If the image and document will be viewed on a screen, such as on a web page, you can set the compression to screen, which is 150 PPI, or also known as web. And if the purpose of the document is to email it, you can set it to email quality, which is 96 pixels per inch. So reducing the output, compressing your images will reduce the file size. This file that I have open right now is very small to begin with. It's only 3 pages long. It only has 3 very small images size-wise that are located within it. If you ever want to see how many kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes your document is, how large the file size is, just click on your File tab, and from your Info tab under Properties, here you have the size of your document. So you can see mine is very, very small here. It's only 727 kilobytes. But you can have a very large document. Maybe you have many, many images in it, because images, do take up a lot of space when it comes to file size. You might have a lot of charts, smart art graphics, tables. It might be, 100 pages long, your document. These Word documents can get very large in size. So what was mine again? 727. If I selected one of my images and went up to compress picture, you have the option to apply only to this picture. I'm going to apply it to all of my pictures. I'm also going to delete any cropped areas of the pictures. Remember when I said once you crop the image, you can always get it back? Well, you can choose to get rid of that extra space that it's taking up by deleting the cropped areas. And I'm going to compress it to email quality, which is 96 PPI. Honestly, I don't know, how much size reduction this will have on my document, because again, it's very small in size. But I'm going to go ahead and compress it to email quality. So we started at 727 gigabytes. I'm going to click OK. And I first need to save my changes there. You can see that wasn't bad. It almost cut it in half. So now I'm down to 402 kilobytes. So you can see how a very large document could be affected by that. If you're trying to email, different email clients have different restrictions on the size of the document that you can attach to an email. So doing something like this, compressing your pictures, could be the option of whether you're able to send it to somebody or whether, it's too large to send. Okay, so always keep that compressing pictures option in the back of your head when you're emailing your document to someone else and it might be too large. So you practice this in the next video, which is activity 1.5, compressing pictures.
And this is on page 20 for our next video.